Today is going to be a very fun and interesting day. Fun because we're going to a water park, and interesting because
I've never been to a water park and I don't like water slides.
Please tell us more about your fear of water slides.
Well, take what fear of usually means and apply it to water slides. And I know you might be thinking, well, if you've never been on one, how do you know that you don't like them? Number one, I think I actually have been on a water slide or tubing experience, but I've blacked it out from my memory because it terrified me. Two, I don't like heights. I don't like roller coasters. I don't like tobogganing. And if you just apply those concepts of being out of control, high up and going fast, but then put water in it, it doesn't make it fun. It's still scary.
Clarifying question, was your water slide experience with a dad? Because that makes a difference.
I think it was with a brother.
Even worse, you get to choose what you feel safe with. I'm just going to encourage you to explore and overcome fear today.
Every time someone has ever said to me, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, they end up making me do it. I had to go on Space Mountain when I was 8. The end goal was like, see, that wasn't so bad. And I'm like, I literally thought I died.
Am I going to make you do anything you don't want to?
Well,
baby.
And I'm sure it'll be very fun.
For those of you that don't know, my background is early childhood education. So I spent a good chunk of my life hanging out with 2 to 4 year olds. And if there's one thing I learned from that, it's really important to play and be a kid again. So that's the goal for today. That was a really cheesy smile. I nodded my head. I went like this. I'm so self-conscious because the last video, I said, let's go.
You say let's go all the time. All the time. She says let's go more than Steve says blue on Blue's Clues.
How do I sign off? I'm just gonna say end scene. End scene with this like Pac-Man movement.
Oh my
End
God.
scene. I kind of knew in my heart it was going to be a terrible idea to come on a Sunday in the summer, and that was confirmed by the long lines when we drove in, but we're here, so we're just gonna make the best of it. How you feeling, champ?
Let's go. It's time to get a locker?
Where are we going?
I guess in the lazy river. This child looks like they hate it.
We might have to go find tubes somewhere. Yeah.
I think I'm on a child.
That's someone?
This is about as fast and out of control as I can be.
Yeah, it wasn't you, it was the water.
Oh no. Under the waterfall. My butt might come out. We're going under a checkpoint like in Mario Kart.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the lazy river?
The lazy river minus the humans was a 10.
Wow! What did you like about it?
It was fun to float, and there was a little bit of movement, but not a lot, and it only happened in certain places, and then there's a little bit of waterfalls.
All right, up next, the wave pool. Do you know how the wave pool works?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna warn you.
Uh-oh.
There will be a loud siren before the waves come, and usually everyone screams, but it's a fun scream, like nothing's wrong. Okay?
Where does the wave come from?
That back wall.
In what way?
I'll be with you. Let's get you on the tube before it happens.
How often does it happen?
All right, we're gonna push you out a little bit. You're gonna wanna hold on to the handles.
They look ready.
They're locked in.
Yeah.
Oh God, here it comes.
It's coming.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Natural disaster. Oh boy.
intense
Well,
as
you
a
were
kid.
also 8, so.
Get it, baby.
Wave pool, 1 out of 10.
10.
Really?
I liked it a lot, but there were a lot of people there. They made me worried, which I understand is something to work on in therapy. Pulled one kid up by his arm because he had the look of sheer terror in his face and the waves kept hitting him. And I said, "Are you okay?" And he tried to play it cool, and then a wave smacked him again. And so I just ripped him up by his arm and I said, "Are you okay?" And he said, "Yeah, I'm okay." And I was like, "I think you thought you were gonna die." It was stressful, but it was fun.
Water park food, 1 out of 10.
10. Gotta get fries everywhere you go. Just to try them. It's just a snack.
That was a steeper drop than I anticipated.
Thank you.
But it was fun and I'm fine. I'm
Best
not
of luck.
so sure about this one.
We got stuck?
I need to check my toe because I think I might have cut it open.
What? What the heck happened? Oh God, you ripped your toenail off. Or like you cracked it right here. You okay?
Yeah, it doesn't feel very
How
good.
did you do that?
You have to like pick off at the top and graze. And clearly something happened.
Oh no, babe.
Yeah, we should figure out what to do.
Yeah, we should ask a lifeguard. Well,
I feel like I got sent to timeout. No, I'm not. It like didn't hurt when it happened, and now it's starting to not feel great.
yeah.
I'm allowed to go back in the water in 15 minutes. Scale of 1 to 10, watching me go down the scary slides.
The first one was really fun. The second one, I couldn't really see you until you were like pretty close up, but at that point, I think you had already ripped your toe open.
Yeah.
And so you weren't really full of joy.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I knew something was wrong. Well, sweetheart, what'd you think?
It wasn't bad.
What was your favorite part?
I really did. I think I liked the lazy river. I liked the fries, of course. And it was also really fun to get to see you go on slides too.
Yeah. Do you have any regrets about not going on the slides, or do you feel good about your choice?
I feel very good about my choice, especially because when you went on one of the big scary slides, you ripped your toenail off. So.
Yeah. And then I screamed pretty loud on the other one.
Yeah. I'm definitely a no out of no on going on both of those. It was a really fun day. What was your favorite part?
When they played My Money Don't Jiggle Jiggle, It Folds, the slides were really fun. And I don't remember doing a lot of slides as a kid. Like, I think my dad wanted me to, but I wasn't super into it. So I was proud of myself that I just went up there and did it. Ripping the toenail off kind of just like, yeah, I was good after that, but I like the wave pool.
And that was the Chronicles of Beth's first time at a water park.
I think I went pretty well.
Yeah, I think we did okay.